Here is how to log a communication in Clio Manage step by step. Begin by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in, open the matter where you want this communication to be saved. This is important because the log needs to be attached to the correct file from the start. If you work across several matters, take a moment to confirm that you have the right one open before moving ahead. Inside the matter, look for the Communications tab and click it. This area is where communication records for the matter are stored, including items such as phone logs and email logs. Opening this tab puts you in the right place to create a new communication entry for the file you are viewing. Next, click New. From the options that appear, choose either phone log or email log, depending on the type of communication you want to record. Select the one that matches the interaction you are entering so the record reflects the correct format. After that, complete the communication details. You will enter the matter, the date and time, the from field, the to field, the subject, and the body. Fill in each field with the relevant information from the communication. The matter field should already match the file you opened, but it is still worth checking before you save. Use the date and time field to capture when the communication took place. In the from and to fields, enter the sender and recipient information as it applies to the log you are creating. Then add a clear subject and include the communication content in the body field so the record contains the full context. If you want to track time connected to this communication, you can add a recorded time entry. You can also use the timer to track the duration. This part is optional, so only include it if you need to capture billable or track time along with the communication record. If timing matters for your workflow, this is the point where you would attach it directly to the log. You can also choose notification recipients if you want other firm users to be notified about the communication. This is optional as well. Select the recipients only if the communication should be shared with people in your firm. If notifications are not needed, you can leave that section as it is and continue. When everything is filled out, click Save Phone Log or Save Email Log based on the type of entry you created. This records the communication in the matter so it appears in the Communications tab as part of the file history. Make sure you click the matching Save option for the log type you selected, since that final action is what stores the record in Clio Manage. The communication is now logged in the matter in Clio Manage.